Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Lucius Sofa range. In the Lucius we'll find a corner sofa that's available in a left-hand facing and a right-hand facing, a swivel armchair, we have a storage footstool as well as a 4-seater, 3-seater, 2-seater armchair, an armless unit and a corner box. A stunning and simple design yet so eye-catching. The Lucius is stocked in this chic forest green colour complemented by walnut feet, but it is also available for custom order in a selection of fabrics, colours and patterns, and these are available to view on a swatch booklet in our stores. The comfort level in the Lucius Sofa is just out of this world. We have a zigzag spring suspension topped with a soft and comfortable foam. This combination provides us with superb support and comfort. We suggest plumping and turning all of the seat and back cushions regularly to keep your Lucius sofa in outstanding shape. The corner sofa features 6 scatter cushions. We have 4 small ones and 2 large ones. All of the scatter cushions in the Lucius range feature 100% white duck feather, which just adds to the high quality of the sofa. This is quite a large sofa range, measuring at 300 centimetres by 230 centimetres in length, making it the perfect fit for an open plan living space. The seats measure at 72 centimetres in depth, providing us with very comfortable lounging. The swivel chair featured in the Lucius Sofa range is a cuddler chair, meaning it is a little bit wider in size compared to a single armchair. You can cuddle up with a special someone or enjoy the Lucius cuddler all to yourself. The Lucius Sofa is available in stores and online, and it comes with a 10-year frame warranty. Transform your living space today with the Lucius by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.